Hey guys, it's that time of day when you're hungry, when you want to eat something, and then you can go to one of the many food courts in Pinang, you know, where you can find pretty much anything. You can find Nasi Lemak, different ones. You can actually see how they make it here, which is pretty cool. They're wrapped in banana leaves. You can have all kinds of snacks, you know, like, you know, takeaway snacks. Pretty good. Lots of deep fried stuff. I don't even know what that is. Is that a jackfruit? No. Do they deep fry jackfruit? Not sure. Malay food. Okay, check it out. So, look at the stalls here. Oh, I have to, again. 36. 36, okay. Hungry food. Chicken, duck rice. That is good. What am I gonna have? See, there's lots of possibilities. This is a very Chinese pie, pork rib noodles, Chongqing noodles. Seafood. Penang white curry mee. Penang white curry mee. Not so sure. You can even have Thai food here. Hello? Should I have Thai food? Maybe not now because I'm making a video about Pinang food. Wonton noodle. Chicken feet. So you can have chicken feet. It's not really my thing. Chow mein. Kao chow. Supreme Western corner. Yeah, of course now it's lunch hour, you know. There's lots of office workers who come here to eat. The beef noodle. That looks good. The clay pot chicken rice. Should I have the clay pot chicken rice? I'm not sure. Looks good. Okay, let's make a decision real quick. Maybe I'm going to try a Won Ton Mee. Hello sir, can I have a Won Ton Mee?
Having here.
Huh?
Where do you sit?
Oh, I'm right over there.
Okay, I'll bring it to you.
In the middle. Oh, okay, thank you very much. Noodles seem to be ready for my Won Ton Mee. Those are the wonton. Oh yes. Yes, very good, very good. That looks good. He cuts the meat. Some chilies.
Everything.
Yeah, everything's good.
Done. That's it.
Okay, thank you. So this is my Won Ton Mee, you know. This is a specialty. You got your chicken. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. Oh, he brought me more change. That's always good, right? So more change, you know. Maybe it comes a few more times and That will be free, but probably not, right? See, you have your wontons here, your noodles, your sauce, your chili peppers. While my family they're eating, well, they have already been eaten, you know, also a very famous food in Malaysia, the chicken rice. You know, they love that, right? You love that. You like that? Is it good food? the camera shy kittens. Good food? Not so good? Is it any good? All right, so I'm gonna try mine now. Okay, so I hope I'm on camera, because you never know. Anyway, so I'm gonna try these now. These mee noodles. They don't really look like mee, but mee usually they're thicker. They're like spaghetti noodles. What the hell? It's very good with the dark curry sauce, dark black curry sauce. Actually, nami. It's a little bit dry, but you know, when you're mixing it with the sauce, it's actually super delicious. Try some of that. But this the wonton, like that was the steamed wonton. Very good. And this probably is chicken too. There's a lot of pork being eaten, of course. But sometimes I don't know, you know, of course, because I don't eat much pork, and depends what part, you know. Sometimes you can mistake it for chicken. If I eat meat, usually I eat chicken anyway. So let's pretend it's chicken anyway, and try one of the fried wontons, which very crispy, heavier than the other one. Very good. Very good. Take a sip of that soup. With the chicken rice, you usually get a bowl of soup, broth. That's a good one. You know, it always depends. You know, sometimes it's very bland, that's so good, and sometimes it's very good. So this is, okay, you can put it here. Very good. Okay. Well, yeah. That's it. Very good. Some spring onion. That was good. That was good. Chicken and some noodles in one bite. Actually, yeah, again, the chili, not spicy. Okay, I'm gonna finish this and get back to you. So that was delicious, but since I never can get enough, I got myself a little Nasi Lemak in the banana leaf, like I showed you before. See, you just open that thing, and I took one with, you know, with little fish and an egg. You know, you can usually eat this with by hand, but you know, they gave me a plastic spoon. It's just simple. It's some kind of a chili sauce, a sambal chili sauce, and there's some eggs, one egg, and some little fishes. You know, it's actually a very cheap thing. You get this for 120 or 150, or sometimes fancy place for 2. But you know, it's a you know, it's like 2 of these and you've eaten. And that is, yeah. This is more spicy. Actually, I mean, for me it's not too spicy, but you could actually call this spicy. You know, this sauce. And there's little fishes on it, which dried fishes that are moisturized a bit with that sauce. The thing is, the fishes, they don't really do it for me, these dried fishes, but you know, I can eat them, but they're not like, if you want your fish treat, you know, when your seafood treat, it's not what you're gonna get. Well, do you want something cheap, something, you know, filling? I mean, especially if you take 2 of them, then that's it. You know, you can also have this with a fried egg, for example, and sometimes they use coconut rice. Not this one, unfortunately. When I walk around, sometimes I take a little snack. Yeah, then I always look if I get some coconut rice, but nah, not this one. Anyway, so yeah, I just want to show you a little lunch video, right? Okay, you guys take care and enjoy your food like I'm enjoying mine. Okay, take care. Bye bye. Okay, I feel much better now. You know, I was actually starving when I got in here. And when I'm starving, when I'm hungry, you know, I'm not myself, but now I am. And it's not hot. It's, you know, like if you have like double luck, you've eaten in this great food court, you know, I urge you to come here. I step outside and it's not hot, and it's starting to shit down. It's starting to rain down. Yeah. Anyway, so I think I'm gonna go home, or maybe I'll have a tea or something somewhere. It's gonna start now. It's starting. Anyway, you guys take care and be good. Ciao.